like that. I've been living my life with diabetes since the age of 6 for how many years? And I'm
Mhm.
at the point now where it's my life was dictated by a vial of insulin that came from animals at the time. I'm sure it was
Mhm.
pork insulin.
Yes,
You
I
know, and
remember
yes,
that too.
it's developed to it's human now, but I relied on that to live. So why am I not going to rely on estradiol and the the progesterone, however you pronounce that one,
Progesterone. Mhm.
progesterone? That's it. Why aren't I going to rely on that to get me through this time of my life
Mhm.
that is driving me bananas? I would, that would lock me up because I reckon I would have murdered someone. I was
Right.
that
I get
irritable and
it.
frustrated, and yeah,
Yeah.
you couldn't even speak to me without me reacting. You could
Mm,
just breathe and I would have lost the plot. That's
right.
how far down I got to.
Yeah, understood.